Hey everyone, welcome to On Our Shelf. Yeah, I have this backpack here. I'm trying to go on a trip, so I gotta stuff everything in here. Most backpacks can only hold so much. Like, I got all these clothes here, plus I have this computer here and some books, and I just don't think it's all gonna fit inside this backpack. What am I gonna do? I have to bring all this stuff. I don't wanna leave anything behind. And I have to leave in like an hour. Where am I gonna put my indigo? I have all this stuff. Today, I'm testing out the BlackVoyage Vortex vacuum seal travel bag. We've all been there. You're preparing for a week-long trip, trying to avoid checked bag fees, but your actual gear just won't fit into a standard size carry-on. You're left choosing between leaving essentials behind or rustling your zippers closed. But what if your backpack had a built-in cheat code? This is the BlackVoyage Vortex travel bag. On the outside, it looks like a premium, sleek, structured travel pack, but hidden inside is an airtight compression chamber. This is what I need. Designed to shrink your clothing by over 50%. Instead of relying on traditional fabric compression straps that stress your exterior zippers and leave your bag bulging, this pack features an integrated odor-proof TPU vacuum chamber. You load your bulky items like denim jackets and extra layers into the airtight zone, lock the inner seal, and connect the mini electronic pump to the flush mount valve. In less than 60 seconds, it pulls the air out instantly, collapsing a 60-liter suitcase level down into a tight, structured 35-liter carry-on. And because it's completely sealed, your clothes stay compressed and protected for the entire trip. From a build standpoint, this is pure premium utility. The exterior is crafted from a high-density, water-resistant, ballistic nylon that feels really rugged. Up top, you're getting heavy-duty, weather-sealed zippers to keep the elements out. For your electronics, BlackVoyage built an independent, plushy, padded tech compartment right at the back. It easily swallows up to a 17-inch laptop and a tablet, keeping them completely isolated from the main compression zone, so there's zero pressure on your screens. Right next to it, you've got an integrated external charging port to keep your devices topped off on the move. This backpack does not lack space. It has a lot of room. On the back panel, there's thick molded honeycomb mesh padding, and the straps also have a cool diamond-shaped padding design on the back of them as well. Security and comfort are clearly optimized here. The main compartment locks down securely with an integrated TSA-approved combination lock, giving you peace of mind if you ever do have to gate check it at a crowded terminal. Here's a quick breakdown of the materials and specs of the BlackVoyage backpack. So what's the final verdict? The BlackVoyage Vortex completely redefines what a travel backpack can do. It brilliantly bridges the gap between a high-capacity rolling suitcase and a mobile carrying-on bag. If you want to travel lighter, skip the baggage carousel and keep your tech and clothing perfectly organized. This belongs on your shelf. I'll leave the link to the BlackVoyage Vortex down in the description below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to share this video, comment below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.